Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, unable to join session with the error code 0x89236617, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your Xbox app. It doesn't matter if you had the game on Xbox or not. And now you're going to click onto your username, click onto support then, and then you're going to click onto gaming services repair tool, click start repairing. And now wait for it to complete this process. It can take a minute or two. After it's done, click close on it and then log out from your Xbox account. After you're done logging out, now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your C drive and then Xbox games, game save, and then PGS here. And now you're going to have a folder with a name like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to rename this folder and add anything like underscore old on here. And once you're done with that, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up the Xbox app again. And you're going to sign into your Xbox account. Once you're done signing in, now you're going to minimize the Xbox app. You're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6 and then click properties, install files, and then click verify and tag it to your game files here. After you're done with that, now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. So you're going to right click on your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet. And if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So right click on your network connection, click properties, Internet Protocol version 4, click properties again. Use the following DNS server addresses. Write on here 1.1.1.1. And in here, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK again. And now you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here add or remove programs. And now you're going to look for a program called Citrix Workspace. So if you have any program with the name Citrix Workspace installed on your computer, you're going to uninstall it. After you're done with that, now you can go ahead and play Forza Horizon 6 and you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.